So in some circumstances, you actually would like to be able to flood, to allow for flooding. Flooding means that you actually move water from a wet onto a dry or into a dry grid cell. And also over time, allow the dry grid cell to turn into a wet grid cell. And there is a way to do that, but I don't go into the details. So if you want to learn the exact details, have a look at one of my books. It's in the first Ocean Modeling for Beginners. Just it's essentially what you do is you do it with an if statement. I'm not going into the details as I promised. I'd rather show you some examples, but just telling you that what you do is you actually allow for water to be transferred into a dry grid cell if the pressure gradient is directed. In addition to that, you use a specific threshold, okay? Say like a centimeter or so, and if the water level exceeds below this threshold in a wet grid cell, then you turn it in a dry grid cell, then you turn it into a wet grid cell. And I want to show you examples. I want to show you 2 examples. Okay? So you play around with it, you change your numerical code, and then you test it. So what type of tests can you think?